How does a vehicle's center of gravity affect its dynamics? Imagine you're driving a car and taking a sharp turn. Have you ever wondered why some cars feel more stable while others seem to lean or even tip over? The secret lies in the vehicle's center of gravity. The center of gravity is the point where all the weight of the vehicle appears to be concentrated. It might sound simple, but it has a big impact on how a vehicle behaves on the road. The height of the center of gravity is a key factor. If the center of gravity is high up, the vehicle is more likely to roll over during quick or sharp turns. This is because a higher center of gravity creates more leverage for lateral forces to tip the vehicle sideways. On the other hand, a lower center of gravity keeps the vehicle more stable by keeping its weight close to the ground. That means less chance of rolling over and better handling when you are cornering. The front-to-back position of the center of gravity also matters. If the weight is mostly in the front, the car might resist turning and tend to go straight, which is called understeering. If the weight is shifted toward the rear, the vehicle might oversteer, meaning the back end swings out during a turn. This can be dangerous, especially on slippery roads. When you accelerate, the vehicle's weight shifts toward the back wheels. This increases traction but can make steering feel lighter. When braking, the weight moves forward, pressing down on the front tires. This helps the brakes work better but can cause instability if the center of gravity is not well placed. The way mass is spread out also affects how quickly the vehicle responds to steering. If most of the weight is near the center, the vehicle can turn more easily. But if the mass is spread far from the center, it resists turning and feels sluggish. This is called the polar moment of inertia. Inside the vehicle, how the load is distributed can change the center of gravity. For example, if you load heavy luggage in the trunk, it shifts the center of gravity rearward, affecting handling and tire wear. Proper load management helps keep the vehicle balanced and safe. Designers work hard to keep the center of gravity low and close to the middle of the vehicle. Race cars often have very low centers of gravity to make sharp turns faster and reduce body roll. Passenger cars and trucks balance the position of the center of gravity with other factors like ground clearance and cargo space. So, understanding where the center of gravity is and how it moves is essential for making vehicles safer and more fun to drive. It influences stability, handling, acceleration, and braking. When engineers optimize the center of gravity, they improve how the vehicle responds and how confident you feel behind the wheel.